Hi everybody, got me a headlight coating for my car headlights, so you guys can see it right there. So yellowish. So we use this product to discolor not discolor, to make it shiny and clean. It's about $10. You gotta be 18 or older to purchase this. So let me see if it works. So we'll test the spray, the headlight coating, that's what it's called. It better make it shiny and clean. Mostly if you use a drill, it's a lot better, but I don't have one, so let's check it out. So I got my cloth here. It's not that clean, but oh well. Let's spray it. I recommend using gloves, but if you don't have one, just use it like my way. So spray it as far as you can. Oh nope, I missed that. Yeah, it works. Yeah, look at that. Look at the difference, guys. Yeah. I just later I could open the hood and spray inside. You just gotta take out your light bulb and all that. But for now I'm somewhere else, so I'm not at home. And after that, yes, clean it up. It's not super good, but at least it helps a little bit, you know. Spray it for some shininess in your headlight. It's not that. I think I gotta spray inside. Now let's go next one. Okay. This will make it shiny. Yep, look at that. It's a little bit better. So I think it has some kind of acid, that product that helps out. But if you purchase that, you gotta be over 18. They won't let you get it if you're under 18.